Okay, we got the strings back on. No pins. Complete palm access. Nothing sticking up to get in your way. It gives the guitar stain for a long time. This is a, I think this is a composite body. This is not a wood body. It's a wood top, but those Formica back and sides. There you have it. The first double tone bar ever put in a 12-string guitar. You've seen it here first. Get one. You won't regret it. That's the schematic. That's figure 15 of the patent pending. And it took about 20 minutes to change them out. Tone bar. Get rid of the pins, get better tone. Thank you.